Hi guys, and tonight it's chicken noodle soup with chicken and mixed veg. And being especially silly tonight, I'm going to try a sachet of soup with chicken and veg. There's not much anything in there, really, is there? 45 kcal. Wow. This serves 4. Oh, I didn't know that. I may use 900 millilitres. I've not thought this out. I would like to go into sachets all the time, just using sachets. I'm quite looking forward to this in a way. I hadn't really thought noodles will be pasta, really. Pasta. There's a potato starch in there. A wee bit of chicken. Chicken fat. 51 grams. There's not much nutrition at all, is there, really? A bit of carbs. Okay, let's go. My little Ernesto pot is started out. Don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm using it wrongly, or not washing it correctly in my dishwasher. Farm Foods. I was thinking I was doing this for 4 minutes, but it's too late now. I meant to say broad beans the other night, I said green beans. I don't think broad beans agree with me in the long term. Silence. Oops. This stuff is everlasting. Everlasting rapeseed oil. With 3 dabs. Dab, dab, dab. This is the defrost and cook stage. 4 minutes, then stir. I might add that stuff at 4 minutes. So 51 grams between 4. I'll go for 13 grams. 13 grams. Get in my belly. Yes, it's 13. Very small noodles. I would call them fine noodles. Can't really smell much, just very slightly. It says 900 millilitres of water for 4. I'm going to leave the water for now and just add it and see what happens. I'm going to do double helpings. Another 13 grams, please. More is always better, isn't it? I don't think this stuff's totally cooked, but I should have done 6 minutes maybe. Anyway, let's see what happens, It's an experiment. Add a bit of water. Watch it grow. I'll do 2 minutes at high. Okay, stop before it beeps. Well, here's the first viewing. Not much happening yet. I thought it would have thickened a lot more. another 2 minutes. Aye. Let's see. Doesn't seem to be anything happening really. Can hardly even taste it. Don't know what's happening. Where's all the water gone? I'm just going to take it like that. Just. They said you were made, put it with boiling water. Maybe I should have done another 2 minutes. Well, I'll soon find out if the pasta's still hard. Time for the taste. I don't know really. I can hardly taste it. The pasta's cooked. I think it's got a sort of yeasty flavour. I can't really taste the chicken yet. It's giving it a bit of flavour anyway. It's like that sort of powder you get. Just looking again, yeah, yeast extract, that's what I feel is the dominant taste, but can't really taste the chicken, I don't know. Maybe it's been too absorbed. It's nice though, it's nice and light. I'll definitely try sachet soups again for flavour. An experiment, yeah, I'll give it 6.5 out of 10, and that's conservative. Probably I like it a bit more than that because it's so light. It's just nice and light, so yeah, that's another success I think. Chicken noodle for for the meal. Nice. The pasta gives me a small amount of digestible carbs to add sort of texture. Digestible complex carbs.